In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam desktop cloud error. If Steam is having trouble syncing your save data or showing a cloud-related error on your desktop, don't worry. In most cases, this is something you can fix in just a few minutes. We'll go through the most effective solutions in a simple order, starting with a full restart of Steam, then checking the cloud setting, clearing the cache, verifying game files if the problem only happens with one game, and finally checking whether Steam's servers are actually the cause. First, fully close Steam and then run it as administrator. Open Steam, click the Steam menu in the top left corner, and choose Exit. That closes the app normally, but sometimes Steam processes keep running in the background, and those can interfere with cloud syncing. To make sure everything is shut down, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Look for any Steam-related processes, including Steam Client Web Helper. If you find any, right-click them and choose End Task. Then go to the Steam shortcut on your desktop, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. This can help Steam access the files and permissions it needs to sync properly. If the error is still there, open Steam Settings, go to the Cloud tab, and turn Steam Cloud Synchronization off. Then restart Steam completely, go back to the same setting, and turn it back on. This refreshes the Cloud Sync feature and can often fix a sync process that's stuck. Next, clear the download cache. In Steam Settings, open Downloads, scroll to the bottom, and click Clear Cache. Confirm the prompt, let Steam restart, and sign back in if needed. Even though this option is under Downloads, cache data can sometimes affect syncing too. If the issue only affects one game, go to your library, right-click that game, open Properties, then go to Installed Files or Local Files, depending on your Steam version. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files and let the scan finish fully. Finally, check Steam's server status. If there's a service outage or maintenance happening, cloud syncing may fail no matter what you try locally. If that's the case, the best thing to do is wait until Steam is stable again.